to the church to celebrate Kids White Sunday. So you can see the three little girls and the few beautiful butterfly at the back. Okay, say cheese. Momoko.
As the youth start to get ready for our program this morning, so the skit that we're about to perform, or the skit that the youth has prepared for us this morning, it's a story about a young girl named Benina, who was born in Samoa, but was brought to New Zealand for a better life. Now in a country full of different influences, Benina has lost her way and she's lost her roots. So sit back and relax as we take you on a journey to 5 different islands. We're showcasing the 5 different love languages Whaatino Satala. Whaatino Satala, Whaatala is my tie in my Benina. Young to my tie, Romano, Bele, for Ele, while it's not Romano, when it's also Lulu. You only add to my 5 for Lama, so if I get you out of the Romano, the Rufa, I want to my idea. What's this? Pacifico. If I'm not swaying, that's my time. E mafu ang nakaavay at tatu. Mamaya uba tatu kayo. Ile atua. Ila ni more pa pero avay ile atua Samoa pe avay ile no Samoa. Ya. Isi. Mai no. Ya.
Ông về cái này bầu giàu ấy. Oh my gosh. Wait, this girl take a photo? Copy that. Wait. Stop mocking me. I'm better than you. Richard one. Cheese! Phút cho nó giàu đúng không? Lúc đấy nó sao phá? Eu posso Nè ai, ở đây mình chỉ cần phim nó cua là để phải sửa nó phát.
Nina, pay Nina, pay it, King. Mama be like
Dad, get to my foot. Well, so let's see my fight. Boleh nama fight mana? Never anu, never sahmo. So far that.
the tour. Please protect me.
Professor check yang mana di kamar. Yang masih ada kau.
được.
Tonight we have here Benina. She is 14 years old and she has run away from home. So can one of you fairies please wake her up? Since she always want to take the set, give it to her. Fine. If you wanna be somebody, whoa. If you wanna go somewhere, you better wake up and pay attention. Wait, oh my gosh, am I dead? Can somebody freeze her, please? No, Sonny, you ain't dead. You're just in a dream. So, I'm Marja, the most prettiest, skinniest, most talented, humblest fairy. And I'm Stella Morphe, but that's not. And I'm okay then, Trixie, but girl, you can call me Anorexie. I'm the most talented, curviest, prettiest fairy of all.
Okay, I don't care if you're my Stella or whatever. Can someone unfreeze me?
Gosh, I'm way better than all of you. So, my scalping plays, and everything was your mission today. So, we'll leave you soon. See you soon. Good luck, Benina. Hi.
Is your name Anorexie or Carapisi?
No, personal girl.
Oh, Anorexie. That name is gonna make me sick.
I'm gonna find a mat.
Matt?
Oh, there it is, the white one. Good.
This fairy, I think someone's controlling her.
Go, man. We going to my Mercedes. Get there. See this way. We're gonna listen to her.
Welcome to the beautiful island of Aotearoa. And here's my name, we're all about the money. Hello?
is called a forfeit. It is a Maori traditional welcome. And that which you are holding is called a poi, which is forgotten. However, the most important thing to take away from this is the physical touch, which was the huli. The touching of the two noses, bringing together the two rings, form that strong Maori bond and kinship. Let's go!
Who's that? Oh, whatever. The thing. Chicken to song. Well done, kids. Beautiful. Smells filled with Julie. They store it in there. As you can see there. Still a bit shy. Next year teacher, the Sunday school teacher. Tears going up. Oh, Connie.
Faith was strong, but you needed proof. So small and big and on the roof. Let beauty and the moonlight overthrew. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke you through and she got your hair. As long as lives, she threw the hallelujah.
Hallelujah, pesa makoya. Mapaya, lore pesa chu. Vaire. Vaire lumawak. Wow. Fifi. That's right. Kids are kids. Hey, that guy's got a nice suit. Hey. Oh, sure. Hey. He's ordering up Zuko. It's good that he's They had a break. They had a break. Oh, guys, they had a break. It's back on. Whoever's watching.
It's like C.
Oh, okay.
That guy's missing his t-shirt.
Hey, he's a Tongan guy now.
To the beautiful kingdom of Tonga. My name is Bilian. And we have a special performance just for you. So please take something special from our Tongan culture. Hello.
She's adding a bit.
Billy, how am I? The other bandits. I want to spend some quality time with you guys.
I'm shaking my hand. Yeah.
So today I'm going to teach you guys the Taoluna. This is a Tongan dance for the girls in our culture, and it's easier for all of us to share. So the first thing is putting your hands together and clapping from one side to the other, and you come down, and up, clap. And Teki at the end to emphasize the move. And one more time. This is the Tongan treasure that I wanted to show for you guys from my mom, so you guys can show her.
This is great. There's no sound here. Oh, okay. Yeah. No, I think it sounds like it. Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't listening.
Do you think it was on Maori song? Made it go Hakari and yeah. Mike. know, guys, if you can't really hear.
Chop, chop, chop. Let's we have no time. Come on, let's go. Come back. So this is how you do me.
Listening or Hitakero.
Can you explain what's going on through the scenes?
Doing the scene of the colour.
Yeah.
When it's time for the classes to come, the scene
So it has breaks in between there?
Yeah, breaks.
So
It's like a movie.
yeah.
It's like Kova.
Yeah.
Kova.
It's quite good. So, guys, if you guys are watching this is how it works. So, each class is doing their skits in between. So, yeah. Marching in the light of love. Marching in the light of God.
Living in the love of God. We are 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 living, we are living, oh, we are living in the love of God. We are living, we are living, oh, we are living in the love of God.
Careful sound. Stop sound. Just.
It's Jesus, I think. It's Jesus.
Lui aveva spaziato questa mezza questione io da un fight che non è già stick like it e fai lo a tua o Yesu anga yola io to sila la tua le sa sabia ia le si aiu le mana o i vai ia la fitara Yesu ia vai yola e te le to si aiu ia le la lang le la tau fai la to me fatti le tai au o le atura o le vai o le ola o le malanga Yesu i kalle.
Okay, she's going to explain
So
if you can hear it, it's in Samoan. You don't have to translate it. Sweet Jesus, right now.
Ona nofo ai le o ia i mua le vai.
Jesus is going
Mo ele tu aso po onu.
to be right.
Ona sawa ai le o le fafile tu vai. Usina o farafo. Ina o siri.
Maya Chao Te. Ana e loi me fai fuori ati. Ana e o fai ati. Ana e oiwe. Ana fai ati le mai e olo.
Leli e lei esse me usuai. E mau do lo foi le vai e. E te mau e fele na vai.
Ana e ni le vai. Tai fi e ni ia. A se e le mai te me tua e te. Le te fi e ni e fa vai. E a ve ki toni e te ia. Oe vai kuna. Kuna ni ma leo la fa vai.
Leli e a mai e te au le na mai ona. E na le te fi e ni vai. Na le te sa fai le te tu vai.
Nice. Look at these guys. Sing up. So what's happening here? There's Jesus there. He went to the well. With that lady that came to the well, then she offered Jesus a drink. So on that.
The Spirit call. Come just as you are. Come and see. Come receive. Come and live forever. Come just as you are. Hear the Spirit call. Come just as you are. Come and see. Come receive. Come and live everlasting strength for today. Takes the living water and never thirst
So as you can see there, each one has their own sin. So what's happening is that these guys are trying to influence that guy by preaching the word of Jesus, the light of the world. So that's Jesus. So that guy's just being saved. So that's the message. That's the theme of the song.
Today.
Ia no hala watu tomati taria Yesu ni taimi ia taria vai ole ona telefoni inua ina
Jesus.